Today we're going to look at multiplying fractions. Multiplying fractions, very easy, okay? Because when we have something like 2/3 times, 9/10, all that we do to multiply fractions is we multiply the numerators. So 2 times 9 is 18. We multiply the denominators. 3 times 10 is 30, and that's it. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Now, if we can rewrite this fraction, this product, in simplest terms. Okay, so 18 and 30, we could divide both of those by 6. Okay, so I'm going to divide by 6, and that's how we can simplify a fraction. 18 divided by 6 is 3, 30 divided by 6 is 5. So our answer in simplest terms is 3/5. However, 18/30 is still a correct answer. When we're dealing with fractions, we will see that we can write answers in multiple ways. However, if it asks for it in simplest terms, you do have to write 3/5. But 18/30 is equivalent to 3/5.